Scott Leonard here, UAS 250. Today's date is April 25th, 2025. We are going to go ahead and do the basic flight maneuvers for the DJI Mini 4K. All right, let's do it. Okay, here we are. We're going to go ahead and arm the motors. And we're going to go ahead and take off.
Home point updated.
Home point updated.
Then we're going to hover. And then we're going to go ahead and land it.
Landing.
Landing.
Next, we're going to go ahead and take off, go forward and back, and then left and right.
Home point updated.
And next, we're going to go ahead and go left and right. Now we're going to go ahead and yaw left in all four corners, 90 degrees at a time. And next we're going to go ahead and rotate 90 degrees to the left. And then we're going to go front and back, left and right. Now we're going to go ahead and rotate 180 degrees to the right. And again, we're going to go left and right, or back and forth and then left and right. And now we're going to go ahead and rotate the yaw again, 90 degrees to the right so that it'll be facing me. And again, we're going to go forward and back, left and right. And now left and right. And now we're going to go ahead and rotate 180 degrees away and land back on the pad.
Landing.
Okay, that concludes this week's flight assignment video. Thanks for watching.